जेई नीट आणि बीट सेटानूय स्टेलर अकादमीचे विद्यार्थी टॉप अकादमीन शिक्षणीक वर्सा केल्ले यशस्वी कामगिरी विशीं अकादमीचो संस्थापक योगेंद्र सिंग शिकरवारान समाधान उक्तायले. स्टेलर अकादमीच्या कामगिरी खातीर शिकरवाराचो प्रुडंट मिडिया वतीन भोवमान जालो. भुरग्यांचे आनी पालकांचे तणाव अकादमी बरे तरेन मॅनेज करता.
For you and your team, and especially the students, how was 2024 year defining moment in the journey of Stellar Academy?
See, 2024 was extremely special year for us. Reason is earlier we were giving toppers of Goa in one exam or some other exam. But this year we gave toppers of Goa in all three. We gave topper of JEE, we gave topper of NEET, we gave topper of BITSET. All three coming from a single institute. That was a rare thing for Goa. But this year we achieved that, and we also felt that now we are, a brand of all three. Earlier what people used to label us is that, okay, you are a brand of one part or another part. But now they know that we have given result for boards also. We have given board toppers for 2 years. We have given NEET toppers for 2 years. We have given BITSET topper for this year. We have given JEE mains topper for this year. We have given overall best result in selection wise for this year. So now students and parents, they have more faith on us, because earlier a little bit of doubt was there that whether they'll be able to do good in all exams or not. So that doubt is removed. So that's why we are happy. So if a student can be brilliant, extraordinary, but if student is not able to use his potential, then that potential is of not much use for the society and for the student also. So what we do basically is we identify students who are sincere, who are willing to work hard, even if they are not that sharp brain wise. But with them, when we work hard, then they are able to produce such result.
I think that little bit of stress is important for Stellar Academy and student and also entire faculty to perform better and get the best out of it.
Actually, I tell students that whatever stress you have, you give it to us, because we are professionals. We are trained to handle that.
Okay.
So for us, it is needed for our students and parents to be more comfortable. They need to give their stress to us, and we need to handle that stress for them.